Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This comes in a gray exterior with a two-tone gray and black interior. Blind spot assist. Formatic, Mercedes-Benz, and GLA 250 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. With memory seats for both the driver and the passenger. The driver's seat controls here, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage is currently at 45,702. We have a turnkey ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, backup camera, climate control, shifter, and center console. If you'd like to see any photos or get more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.